Okay, that's better. Thank you very much. Again, good morning to everybody. Um, let's take a quick look at the SPY. Um, I wrote in my morning newsletter, trade or wait. Uh, we're getting a little overextended. At the same time, I think we have a very bullish chart pattern, and when when looking for those entries, um, the chart has moved up pretty good. The market has moved up pretty good. So, is this the place to absolutely be buying? Well, it could be, but I think what I would want to see is a breakout, and a breakout that holds. And this morning we are seeing that breakout. 147. Let's see, 147.69. Is that right? Yeah, 147.69. So we're seeing the breakout here. The important thing now is it needs to hold. So it's about to close today. We've got our morning move. It's in. It's all about how it closes now today. So up above here, I would look at that as certainly bullish. If the market closes somewhat ugly and puts in some sort of I don't know, maybe a candle that looks like that, I'm just guessing, then I would want to be cautious if we start to pull back down through the T-line area right here. So it's very important today that we close somewhat decent. So the market is showing its hand first thing this morning. Now it just needs to have the cards to back it up. IYT, I think the transports are acting terrific, but we can't just blindly say, hey, let's be long. And what I'm looking at here is the fact that we're sitting right here at this top, double top. That doesn't scare me, not necessarily by itself. It doesn't even concern me. But all of a sudden we have this monster trend, been up a huge amount of many days. So what's happening here is, all right, now we're starting to put a little too many probabilities. When I get two probabilities in order, then I start thinking, okay, what do we have going on? Well, we could be in for a little bit of a consolidation, and that wouldn't be bad at all. What I'm mostly trying to point out is this might not be the ideal buying time right in here. The ideal buying time is back here, or back here, or right here. We may be getting up a little bit thin air, where we may need to see a little consolidation, into that area maybe. Of course, if it breaks out and holds, we keep closing with those bullish candles, then we'll keep looking at it. It's just the higher it goes, the little riskier it gets. So although I am quite bullish, I'm still very, very bullish at this point. I think this does warrant a little bit of caution when it comes to timing. If somebody's been sitting on the sidelines for whatever reason, and you've got this bundle of money and you're dying to spend it, I'm not sure that this is the best time to jump in with both feet. A little dabbling maybe, but this is the kind of stuff we're looking for. Little pullbacks. Buy wholesale, not retail. Buying now is buying retail. Buy wholesale on the pullbacks. Little pullbacks like this right here. These are the kind of things we're looking for. Little consolidation areas right in here. Okay, one chart I want to go look at here. Let me go turn it on the other chart. Let's go look at VVUS. What are we going to do with VVUS? VVUS came out with some goofball downgraded it. And so what are we going to do? Because a lot of us are in it. Well, I'm in it too. I can tell you right now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to panic. I'm just simply not going to do that. I see now it's trading currently at $13.81. So, is that right? 13.81. So we're hanging in there above the 34. So that's not a horrible move. Yes, it's gapping down. What's it going to do throughout the day? I'm not going to rush in and buy more. What I am going to do is keep an eye on it and kind of watch what today's candle does. And if today's candle can make it near the 50, I'm going to look at buying more. I'm going to work myself out of this. I'm not convinced this chart is a bad chart. I think this, people that put out these downgrades, I'll be honest, who the hell are they? And they're just somebody that has a little bit of clout and they can throw something out there and then they can make things happen. So I'm going to watch this very carefully. I'm not going to get bearish on it unless it starts breaking down through the 50. So anything down here, I'm not going to be happy with, but I'm going to be okay with. And I will do my very best to work out of this, and I will keep everybody in the room updated on what I'm doing with it, whether I'm buying more, waiting, or whatever. So we'll probably be talking about VVUS a lot today. Even if it does move down to the 50, if it makes it down that direction, that's just a 50% move from this low high. I mean, there's our 50% line, this dash line, and that's pretty close enough for me to say we're still in that area. So we'll watch it right in here. We'll see what happens. So, okay, I want to say thank you to everybody. Let me get some things going here, and we'll get this room opened up. Appreciate it.